Hey, what up guys? 2004 Hyundai Sonata with a 2.4. You gotta do an alternator. Here are the steps. 1, take your wheel off. Use a jack or a jack stand to hold it up. You got a 14mm bolt right there. Now I got the alternator out this way. 10mm, 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 10mm. This, unplug, drop over here, put this over here, pop the line up over here. Then on the back side, your positive going to the alternator will be a 13 and you have a 4-pin plug. You also have a 12mm on the adjuster, 12mm right there too. Now, the easiest way to do this is to drop off the adjuster first, loosen up the bottom 14, push it forward, pop the belt off. Before you take the bolt out of the alternator, which is back there, you have to go at it from underneath to get it out. Pop your electrical connectors off, and you'll be fine. The alternator does come up, out this way. It will fit, and you have to take this connector off also. There you go, guys. Thought I'd do a video, help you out.